Hi, in this demo, I'll show you how customer and site linking works in Manage Assets. This logic applies both when creating and updating assets. So first, go to Manage Assets and then select an asset type. Once the asset type has been selected, click Add Asset. When adding an asset, select a site. If the site has a customer, that customer is automatically applied. If the site has the customer, you can choose any customer or you get blocked. Click Save. When you update an asset, the same rules apply. Even if the customer was set before, once you save, the customer from the site is automatically applied, and then click refresh. Optionally, you couldn't use, because there's to quickly apply the customer and site. Then click Add Asset. So as you can see, the selected customer and site has been populated to the customer and site field of the created asset. Then click Save. That's it. Now you know how customer and site works both when creating and updating assets.